You can tubers. Just want to forewarning that the GoPro is on charge, so if it cuts out, that's what it is. But anyway, I guess we'll go ahead and see if we can mount this motor on the bike here, because it won't be long till we get to put the torque converter on. And fired the motor up yesterday, and it ran perfectly fine. So we'll see if we can get her on there. And as you probably already know, that the holes for the other motor are not going to line up. Obviously not, because it's a whole different style motor. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and see if we can mark where the new one goes. And I bought the drill and drill bits and all that good stuff, so we'll see if we can get her mounted on here. This is the most comfortable seat out of all the bikes. Just saying. And another thing, I got this thing running yesterday, and it was freaking loud as crap. And I don't think we'll have no problem with it pulling this little bike with the converter on it. But I think we'll do it without it. But I'm going to go put one on it anyway, because I need the power to pull my fat ass. So anyway, set it up like that right there. Slide her in there. It's going to be just barely off the seat. That's going to be really close right there. So I might, you probably can't see that. Sorry about that. I'm probably going to have to put exhaust pipe a different way. I don't know yet. I'm just going to mount the motor right now. Then we'll go from there. But it looks like we'll be alright. Okay. We did just run into a little problem though. Changing the oil is going to be a big problem, because the oil pan, the oil plug. Oh, wait, never mind. That's somewhere else. That's something different. Never mind. We're good. So yeah, I guess we're ready to lock her on there. Everything looks to be good, like I was hoping to be. Didn't have to put no spacer or nothing in it. Spacer would be nice. It won't have to rattle so much, but then again, it'll be all right. I'm gonna see if I can get on it without it falling out. So yeah, it'll be like this. The exhaust pipe is right there. So my legs might get a little warm right there. Might have to do a little bit more customizations to it, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. And I forgot my damn pen at the house, so I can't mark it now. But that'll be alright. We'll see if we can yeah, eyeball it or something. Because it's not that much difference. So you got a tape over here. You can just do this way. It's about half of there. Let's see, hold on here. It's about a 1 3/4 inches right there from the side there, and then it's about the same thing all the way around from that side out there anyway. And then we'll have to move it out there to try to make it flush with the frame. Doesn't have to necessarily be flush with the frame, but it'd be nice. There we go. Now from up there to the hole is an inch. It's a hole completely inch from the foot peg bar right here to the screw hole with the bolt hole. And it didn't sound right, but yeah. Okay. Let's see, hold on one second. I'm puzzled over here. Okay, about 3.5 inches from that one. So, we can go ahead and start drilling. If you know where the mark is now, it's about, right there in the middle is about 2 inch, with 1 3/4 right there. No, it's 1 3/8, yeah. And then from that part right there is about 1 3/4 inches. So we're good right there. Let's go ahead and put the drill bit in. Well, I have to see what size it is on the motor first, because I don't want it to get too big. It's a little bit too big. I don't want to cut my hand off. The drill bit stuck in there. And I don't want to cut my hand off. Oh well. I mean, it's big, but it's gonna be all right. Now, I'm gonna take that. I'm probably have to cut the camera off because it's probably gonna take a few minutes to cut this. Let's see. From there, there's about there. We'll see how far this one goes first. If this doesn't take too long, we'll cut the camera off. Well then. Okay. That's one done. Well, I'll cut the camera back on when we get the rest of this done. Well, there she is. She's all mounted up there. I just got 2 screws in it for now. Or a bolt. I don't know if I got all the other bolts aligned right, but I got just 2 in it right now, so that'll be alright to make sure everything's gonna work. I had it on the side a little bit too long. Let's put some oil out, but it'll be alright. Only little problem we have is the gas tank. It's right under the seat. But anyway, it's very, very close from hitting this fender right here, but you can always bang that out and make it better. I'm gonna see if it'll fire it for you, so you see what it sounds. So you can see what it sounds like. And you know, regular bikes like this have little kill switch right here on the handlebars. Well, I couldn't figure out the wiring mechanism, so I just kept the one that's on it already. Which is alright. It's not nothing bad. It's just more convenient to have the one up here. But here we go. I'm gonna fire it for you. Should probably smoke a little bit because I had it turned up too high. I mean, over there on the side there. Yeah, she's a little loud. Sorry, should have told you before. But there you go. She's running, and it looks like it's gonna be all right for now, anyway. I tightened the bolts really tight down, and they're hex. They're hex, and they got those plastic washers in them in the nuts. So that should hold it pretty damn good. Next thing we gotta do is the throttle here, but that won't be too much. Just stick it in there and put it on the cable, and it's be done. You gotta wait till it cools off though, but it's still hot. And oh. No wonder I can't figure out how to do it. There's something backside. No. But anyway, looks like it's gonna be just an alright little bike here. Gotta feed it through this little thing here so we can get it up there after it stabs me in the freaking finger. And gotta find my little pilot screw. I don't know what to do with it, but it'll be in the shop somewhere. And I'm going to figure out a different way to do this cable because it's going to be hitting right here, or see if I can find a bracket or something and make it go straight in. Because if it stays like this, it's gonna snap off right here. So got to figure out something for that. But besides that, about everything's ready to rock. Just gotta wait on the torque converter is next. But I'm going to see if I can fix this temporarily and put a different sprocket on it for now. Just to see if I can get it to go. I have a chain over there, but I don't know if it'll work with that other one. But anyway, we'll find out. Anyway, troops, thank you for watching. Once I get the torque converter on and get it going pretty, I'll see if I can get it to run for me. Until next time, we'll see ya.